I'm about to be on. Been on this mission since I first left home. Packed up my bags like nigga, I'm grown. Told myself to show myself to do no wrong.
Now I'm going to go over the packaging and everything that came in the box. Here's the packaging. I really like the vertical alignment they did with the packaging. They have the watch just fully like standing up inside the packaging. That gives it a really premium feel. And also on the front you can see there's just the company logo, and then there's a watch face on the front. And then on the back here, just a few things written down. It just tells you that it's compatible with Android and iOS. Time display, step counting, calorie counting, sleep testing, heart rate detection, message reminder, call reminder. And then there are some of the specs. You can see that's the processor that it runs on. And then it has a 1.54 inch display. And also it has 16 megabytes of storage. Yeah, I really like the packaging on this. This is one of those bags I'm probably going to keep. Okay, this is the charger. I really like the charger on this because it's super easy to click into. You can see the two prongs on the charger and then the two prongs on the watch, and it just fits in there very easily. It's already locked in there. It's not plugged in, so you won't see it get to charge. Here's the user guide. It has it in multiple languages. I will show you guys how to set everything up and all of the functionality of this watch later on. Now to the watch. I really love this watch. This feels way more than what it's worth. They were definitely aiming for a cheaper Apple Watch with this. This really feels like an Apple Watch. I just took it to my girlfriend to let her feel it, and she also said the same thing. It feels just like an Apple Watch, which she has. So yeah, the back you can see it's a glossy finish with all of the tracking hardware, health tracking hardware. Let's see, it's only one button on the side. I don't think it has like twisting functionality, but it twists, and then it's a very clicky button. This feels like metal. I bet it's plastic just because of the price, but the perimeter definitely feels like metal. And then the bands. The band feels really great, and also I love that it's detachable. So I will let you know what size that is, just so you can switch out your bands if you ever get this watch. So yeah, I'm going to test this for a few days and let you guys know about my experience with it. So I've had this watch for around a few weeks now, and all I can say is just wow. I do not understand how you'd be able to beat this watch at this price. The build quality on it is just amazing. The build quality on this watch is definitely my favorite thing about it. I really like how it has a shiny finish. It really feels like metal. I definitely think it's plastic just because of the price, but it feels way more premium than the cost of it. I also like the display and the glossy fitness tracker part on the back. Another thing that I love about this watch is that it takes universal bands. It takes a 22mm universal band. I was actually able to switch out the bands from my Fossil Sport and click it, as you can see. But yeah, if you can find that 22mm, you can get any style you want. So now I'm going to go over the software and all of the features and functionality of this watch. First, by talking about the battery. The battery is advertised to last between 7 and 15 days. That's just absolutely phenomenal, and I definitely think it's matching up. I actually only had to charge this twice since I've had it for 3 weeks. The first time I charged it was only because I didn't like charge it fully right when it got out of the box and it wasn't charged up. And I charged it around 3 to 4 days right after I opened the box, and then I have not charged it since until like last night. Okay, so that is so this is the home screen. You get 5 watch faces to choose from. This one is actually my favorite because it has like all of your general fitness information on the front. I haven't worn this watch today. I just charged it up so I could record this video. That's one of the watch faces. There's another. Okay, yep, that's all 5. Okay, when you swipe right, it takes you to like your general fitness information. When you swipe right again, that takes you to like your last night's sleep information. You swipe right again, that's your power button, that's how you turn it off. When you swipe right again, these are just all of your quick toggles. When you swipe right again, you get the watch face again, and I'm just going to show you guys all of the quick toggles. That first one, the sport, is for tracking your workout. So when you click sport, it gives you all of these options to track. Okay, and then that button is your find your phone button. When you click that, it signals a ringer on your phone just in case you lose your phone. The bottom left is your heart rate monitor, and the bottom right is your blood pressure monitor. Both of those are tracked with the hardware on the back of this watch that connects to your pulse on your wrist. Okay, when you swipe up, you get a stopwatch in the top left corner and a countdown in the top right corner. In the bottom left corner, this is your information button. That's just going to show you all of the information that your phone has received. I just clear everything. Okay, and the bottom right, that's your female health tracking, so it does offer that support as well. And then these are just your general settings. You can control your brightness, your screen lock time, your information. From here you can control what apps you want to receive notifications for and which ones you don't. That's just on and off. I believe that's all the settings. Okay, and then this is your music control. So when you're playing music, you can click that to press pause or skip. So now I'm going to go over the app that comes with the watch. The app is called the Hband app. It can be downloaded on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. It's a very user-friendly app. I really like it a lot. It's just super clean and simple, and it just helps you get the job done. Another thing that I love about the app is that it does not need to be connected to the watch 24/7. So if battery life on your phone is an issue, you can just unpair the watch and use it for fitness tracking, and then when you repair it, it will transfer all of the data over to your to the app. So as you can see right now, I'm just on 2 days ago because today I haven't like used the watch for anything. So it tracked all of my steps. It can check your sleep as well, and heart rate monitor and blood pressure. I have that turned off. And you can actually adjust these little panels as well. You can switch them around or delete the ones that you don't use. I just have them all up. You can also click on each panel and it will give you more details. Okay. And you can, the next screen will be the workout. I believe this just tracks running. Okay. And then you can go to the last screen. These are just your general settings. My favorite setting is this, where you can actually turn off what apps you want to receive notifications for, and you can turn on what you do want to receive notifications for on your watch. So that can be very helpful. There you go. There are your alarm settings, your sedentary setting. You turn that on when you just like want your watch to notify you when you've been sitting too long. You have a heart rate alert. You have wrist detection. You have a low power mode. You can adjust the screen on time of your watch all from this app. So yeah, it's a very user-friendly app. You can adjust your fitness goals as well, um, and you can adjust the measurements as well. So yeah, that is the Hband app that is paired with this watch. I really love the software on this watch, but one con, pretty much the only con I have on this watch, is like the functionality. I just do not like some of the decisions they made and like navigation of the watch. For example, swiping up or down changes the watch face. I wish that was like somewhere in the settings, but when I've done this a lot on accident. Actually, I've swiped up or down and just changed that. And another thing that I did not like is when you get like a notification on your phone, it only like comes on your watch once. You will get like a strong vibration. I really like the vibration on this watch, but the notification only shows once until you like open your watch, and then it's clear, and then you can only check it again if you go all the way to your quick toggles and then information. Okay, overall, this watch is just a crazy deal. You can get it on Amazon for around $42. I will leave a link in the description. It does go on sale sometimes. The Yamay watch is a little cheaper, but I definitely suggest the Rundoing watch over it just because the build quality is a lot better. As you can see, it's a little bigger and has like a more modern finish. Yamay uses way more plastic type material. This is probably plastic too, but you can't really tell. I also like the fitness tracker on the back better, just because it's a glossy finish that makes it more comfortable. The software on the Yamay watch, I believe, is like a little better in terms of functionality, but in terms of like how the UI looks, everything just looks way more modern, and the watch faces are a lot better on the Rundoing app. So yeah, I will leave a link for both of these products in the description. Just let me know how you feel about these watches in the comments.
Yeah, I just want you to be strong. Yeah.